So this is my Knickerbocker glory that I'm going to show you how I make this. Proper glass, it's a vintage style, heavy glass Knickerbocker glory Sundae dish. I'm going to be using resin. Resin is kind of a bit notoriously temperamental, and it has to be just the right consistency. If it's too runny, it'll just run through all the layers and disappear. So it has to be quite sticky and viscous. It's just getting there. And you have to watch it like a hawk, because you can leave it and it'll just set solid, which is a nightmare. So your resin, just pour it over the top and then just drizzle right into all those gaps. And it will just meander its way down. Eventually, it takes a while. So you'll see, I had a bit of pink left over, so I've kind of domed it up like that, which means that I can just pipe round that with the white fake cream to give it the height. There you go. Cherry on top. And we're just going to finish it. You can see all that resin that's gone through. We're just going to finish it with the fake chocolate sauce. Just drizzle that all the way around. And we're done. And that is all you use. You don't use any sprinkles for this. Just the hot glue chocolate coloured sticks to give you the sauce.